It's been 15 years since the Lehman Brothers collapse shook the world, but a similar crisis might be brewing in China, and almost nobody is talking about it. A $30 billion banking crisis has been unfolding in China's rural heartlands. It's a story of shadow banks, dodgy loans, and a potential contagion that could spread far beyond China's borders. The crisis began in China's rural areas, where small banks and shadow lenders had been offering unusually high interest rates to depositors. It seemed like a good deal until the banks started to collapse. So far, 8 small banks in China have failed, wiping out billions of dollars in deposits. The Chinese government has stepped in to guarantee some of the deposits, but not all of them. As the news of the bank failures spread, depositors rushed to withdraw their money from other small banks. It's a classic bank run, and it's exactly what happened during the Lehman Brothers crisis. The similarities between this crisis and the 2008 Lehman Brothers collapse are eerie. Both involved shadowy financial institutions, excessive risk-taking, and a lack of oversight. So what does this mean for global markets? If the crisis in China escalates, it could have far-reaching consequences, from a slowdown in Chinese economic growth to a potential contagion that spreads to other countries. The global economy is more interconnected than ever. If China's banking crisis spreads, it could affect not just China's economy, but the entire world. The Chinese government is trying to contain the crisis, but it's a delicate balancing act. If they guarantee all the deposits, they risk creating a moral hazard. If they don't, they risk sparking a wider panic. The $30 billion banking crisis in China might be just the tip of the iceberg. As the situation unfolds, one thing is clear: the world is watching China's banking system with bated breath. The Chinese government has a long history of stepping in to rescue troubled banks. But this time, the stakes are higher, and the potential consequences of failure are more severe than ever. Is this the next Lehman moment? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the world is about to find out just how resilient the global financial system really is.